one thing about this life is that whatever you're doing, try to confess positive. You guys remember when I bought these berries? So I told you guys that I'm gonna achieve zero mortality. Believe a lot was thinking that I was joking then, but I finally achieved it. So last week Sunday, I took one for Thanksgiving. So follow me now. Let's count how many breasts I have. Okay, so I'm about to tell them, and I'll washing them so that they will look neat. All right. I will now go and sell them. So it's ready for marketing. So if you want to buy, okay, contact me. All right, then I will deliver to your doormat. Thank you. So follow me. Let's see how many breasts I have from day old till now that is due to mature. Thank you. So this is one of them. Okay, so this is one of them. Koshrewu 6 to 7,000. 6 to 7,000. 6 5 to 7,000.